Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create this infinite cube shape. I saw this website with this design of this table, and I thought I will create something like this. And but in this video we will take things further by making some of the parameters parametric. Means that, for example, here I have this profile. I can go here and change the width and length. Also, I can add an edit spline and manipulate some of the sub-object level components. For example, moving this vertex will produce something like this. Or maybe add a vertex here. I can go to divide, keep it one, divide. Now I have a vertex here. I can do something like this. I can go to this final result here and add a turbo smooth, and still go back here and change width and length. So let's start from scratch. If we look at this shape here, we can imagine that there is a cube, and here from this side you can see that this vertical here has a kind of chamfer with deleted faces, and same here and same here, and on the other side also this vertical here, but chamfering is on the bottom. So let's do this. I will create a box. I'll make it a cube with length, width and height 50 centimeters. I will center it, and now I will add an edit poly modifier, edge. We'll select this edge and this one, this one, this one, chamfer, I'll make this 0. Now go to polygon, select all of these, delete. Now let's select the edges that we need for this shape. So here I need the base, and then two verticals will go up and then they start to flow. Okay, so select this one and this one, and the base. So from here I need to go in this direction, go down, go right, go up again, turn left, here, go up, and now everything is connected. I can here create shape, choose linear, now let's hide this. Okay, now it's correct, and now I will create the profile, a simple rectangle. Let's make it 6 by 6 centimeters. Now pick this spline here, go to geometry, compound, loft, and click get shape and pick the profile. Now of course here make sure that the path is at 0 and percentage. Basically percentage means the beginning of this spline is 0%, so we are taking the shape, the profile, we place it at the beginning of the spline, and this loft will go all along the path until the end. Here we have some settings. The resolution, you can lower it. It will still work, but I will keep it 5. I can make it higher if I want, so that when I apply the turbo smooth, I can have a good result. Now, for these black thing here, these artifacts are related to smoothing groups, so I will add edit poly and select all the polygons. Here I will click auto smooth, and now it's fixed. I can go back here, change the parameters, I can add a turbo smooth, and here for this profile I can add an edit spline. I can play with the vertices. I can do fillet if I like. And I can go to segment, divide, keep it 1 for just one vertex, click divide. So I can choose this one here and do this. So basically that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like it, and if you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.